This truck was so heavy and stuff that it was actually pulling me.
Ok. Espérame.
¿Pueden estar una?
Hey guys, Rhino here. So it's been a little while, since I've been uploading videos. However, it's around 2 o'clock in the morning again, and I got another call to go back to the wash. This time we have a dually truck. I didn't ask for what make and model. However, somebody tried to help them out, but they couldn't, so they end up calling me. So I'm on my way over there, and as soon as I get there, I keep recording. And thank you guys for coming along. Okay, it looks like that might be them, but I'm not quite sure yet. So I'm gonna step out and figure out what's going on. So let me put up my pants and put on my water shoes. And we'll be out in a little bit. Can you see all the vapor rising from the water? It's pretty cold right now. But for some reason the water vapor always rises when it's cold. I'm not sure what that is about. Maybe it's radioactive, I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, so yeah, that's them right there. So I'm gonna step out and hook them up. And I'll be right back. Sí, siempre sale más caro el caldo que las albóndigas, la neta. Siempre, a cada rato pasa lo mismo, que le hablan al compa y termina atorándose. Yo te digo. Hola. Ok, dale despacio. Slow, come on. Pulling me, huh? Dile que espere. Wait, hold on. Espérame. Ok, vente. Espérame.
¿Pueden estar una?
Ahí está. Ahí nomás ponle freno, ¿ok? Alright, so the truck over there is a 450, so it's really heavy. And it's pulling me, when I pull with the winch, it's actually pulling me forward. So we just put an anchor right here, and we're gonna try again. Let's see how it goes. Dale, despacito. Espérate ahí. Wait. Alright, so we're backing up. Hopefully we'll make it all the way out without any issues. Alright, I'm turning around and so far he's doing good. And so the story was that the Super Duty came to recover the Jeep right there that is in front of me. The Super Duty ended up getting stuck. They had somebody else trying to help. That truck was way too heavy, as you could see, and you know they couldn't pull it out until I used an anchor. We got him out. So far he looks like he's doing good, and as long as he doesn't get stuck again, we are all going home. So I keep recording until he turns around, and then we'll do our little close shot. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my truck just moved like sunk. Look, it's sinking. The more I stand on the river, the more dirt is removed from under the tires, so it sinks little by little. So this river has completely swallowed Jeeps and other vehicles. However, he's out. I mean, he turned around and let's get out. Let's get out of here. Okay guys, so that was a big boy right there. That's a big truck, really heavy, 450, lifted. Alright, so he's got 30-inch rims with 42 tires on it. Big boy right here. However, we got them out, so they're going home, we're going home, kind of tired. So see you next time.